Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Book Pakistan Studies for Class 10. Content Chapter 1 History of Pakistan Period 2. Topics page 5 to 12. Learning outcomes. The study of this chapter will enable the students to understand the main concepts and information to explain independently. Topic number 1 Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Government page 5 to 6. Time period 1971 to 77. Main headings are: the first one, separation of East Pakistan, 16 December 1971. So now listen to the explanations of this point under the main topic Zulfikar Ali Bhutto government. So on 16 December 1971, Dhaka fell to the enemies due to the internal strife and the direct military intervention of the India. So it was the interferences of India that is also the main cause for the separation of the East Pakistan. So finally the East Pakistan was separated from the West Pakistan and emerged as Bangladesh. The data or the lines comes under the heading separation of East Pakistan, and the date is 16 December 1971. Second point, transfer of powers, 20th of December 1971. After the separation of East Pakistan on 16 December 1971, on 20 December 1971, the General Yahya Khan transferred his power after the defeat to Zulfikar Ali Bhutto as the Chief Martial Law Administrative. At that time, the Bhutto was the foreign minister of the country and after taking over the government. Third point is administrative changes by Z.A. Bhutto. So, after taking over the government, Bhutto made some administrative changes. What were these administrative changes? The first one is selection of new commander in chief. So after taking over the charge, he forced the army chief to resign and replaced him with General Tirqa Khan as the new commander in chief. Second administrative change was strengthening of relations. So Zulfikar Ali Bhutto had an impressive personality and he strengthened the relations with all the Muslim countries and the international communities. The next point under the main topic Zulfikar Ali Bhutto government. So the next point is Shimla Agreement. Shimla Agreement is one of the most important achievement with India. According to the agreement, India released all the prisoners of the war. So this was the Shimla Agreement. Next point for the administrative changes of Z.A. Bhutto is the restoration of democracy in April 1972. So in April 1972, he lifted the martial law and restored the democracy. The last point for the main topic or the heading is framing of new constitution. So by then there was no constitutions in effect in the country. Z.A. Bhutto, in collaboration with all the political parties, formed a committee to discuss the recommendations for framing a new constitution for the country. So these are the main headings for the main topic. Number 1, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto government. After listening and telling all these points from your book following the mentioned pages, let's come towards the evaluation. You will answer shortly of these questions from the relevant topic. The first one, what was the main cause for the separation of East Pakistan? When did East Pakistan separate? Who was selected as new commander-in-chief? When martial law was lifted by Z.A. Bhutto, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto? And the last one, who transferred the powers to Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, and when? Now the students, let's come towards the assignment. For the relevant topic, detail answer about administrative changes of Z.A. Bhutto and the relevant objective exercises, pages 22 to 23, question number 1 and 2. Hope this video will be beneficial for you. Thanks.